Now let's learn about capitals before we start some exercises. Capitals are mostly the same as in English, at the beginning of a sentence and for given names, like organizations or persons. Now there's a few remarks to be done here. First one is, if a word or a sentence starts with ä, you capitalize both letters since it's considered as one. For example, Iceland becomes IJsland, which is, by the way, composed of het ijs and het land, so it means ice country, literally. A second remark is the use of the capital in the politeness form. Some old-fashioned people still do that, so that's normal. Third remark, we've already seen a little, there's many family names in Flanders who start with van der and then something else, or van de. That entirely depends on the name itself, although the second example with capital D does not exist. So if you're spelling out the name of a person with a family name like that, ask them if there's capitals. A final remark about capitals in Dutch is the apostrophe. It's used with t, s, and n. The apostrophe leaves something out. In the case of t, it's het. In the case of n, it's un. In the example, you see the het is replaced by t. And as you see in the example, the capital is not the first letter in the sentence, it's the second one. Like, het is een ambtenaar. It replaces het is een ambtenaar. S, on the other hand, replaces an old form, des, but that's not used anymore. It only exists in the indications of time, namely in 's avonds, 's morgens, 's middags, and 's nachts. They mean during the evening, during the morning, during noon or afternoon, and during the night. If the sentence starts with one of those, the capital will not be the first letter, but for example, the M of 's morgens.